I'm getting dark circles because of lack of sleep. So even yesterday I slept around I think 4 or 5 hours, and uh, today I didn't go to gym as well uh, because of my lack of sleep. I was feeling low on energy, and from yesterday my internet connection was super bad, and even today till I think 8:39 9 p.m. my internet was very bad, and it was a hectic job to like contact the service provider and get it fixed. And right now the data is fixed, everything is back to normal. Uh, and one more thing to I got a message on LinkedIn from one person who is attending one of the internship, and we know each other. So he texted me a long message saying that all his problems, his life, how he switched, how what are the struggles he's going through, and he requested to for me to like reply to him with some specific questions. And like I was so happy that at least he tried to reach out, tried to seek help, and I helped him. I even called him today and solved all his problem. I gave him idea like how he can monetize uh, his. I won't reveal because that's his secret. So apart from that, uh, today I spoke to Carissa Lintau, and she's by inspiration from last year, and she's a very honest person, very kind person. She's known for her kindness, and you can also see her podcast on my podcast channel. Keep Me Inspired. Episode number 2 is with Carissa Lintau. To know more about her, you can just check that episode out, and she's the kindest person I met on the internet. And I always wanted to like work for her recently, and I mean, um, I won't tell exact post, but yeah, I will reveal that soon. So I am into her company. It is called as AppTutu, and I'm so grateful for her for taking me in, and I will not provide her anything less than best. And right now the greatest challenge is I won't like get into any internships because it's a bit hard to manage everything. I have to be very specific in organizing my time. And uh, and uh, yeah, even yesterday like I didn't post the video at this time because of the internet issues. But right now internet is fixed. Morning I had clapping session with Abhishek, Mega Mega Nayak, and Kim Ji, and yeah, and these sessions are very helpful in my English, and they also give me so many practical advices. And one more mistake I was doing was I was not noting down whatever the tutors give me feedback, and you don't do that. If you are like taking clapping session, for better understanding you can take your book and just whatever corrections your mentor say you can just note it down so that you can look back at it later and work on it and improve it. So one great advice I was given was you can literally, you might have some inspiration, right, or some role model. You can just see their video once, and then you can listen their like turn off the video and just listen to the audio, and then you can just try to replicate that. So uh, there may be some sentences you can just repeat that, and you can differentiate where are you and where is that, like you can bridge that gap. And soon I will be posting more clappingo videos because I know all of you like it, so I will do that. And even I personally enjoy doing that. And today I also worked for Swastik, uh, and it was a great experience. I love to work for him because he's a very good person. And I believe that we attract our tribe. So if we put on positive energy in this universe, only positive people will be attracted to us. At least that's what I believe in. I also call it as law of attraction. So that's about it. Today Today I didn't go to gym, but tomorrow at 6 a.m. I will go to gym, and even Rakshan will be joining me because I forced him to. And yeah, that's pretty much about today. And uh, today, because of internet, I had to compromise on some of my work because of I was super tense. And one more thing I would like to say is today, I realized how internet has an impact on me. Like I literally can't work if my internet is not good, even if the internet speed is low, because I'm used to good internet. In the past, I was adjusted with 1 MB 2 Mbps, but right now the speed I am adjusted to is 100 Mbps, that speed, because of working constantly, and all my uh, editors are online, all my tools are online, so it's very much hard. And today when I was stressing out and I was like very much angry on the service provider, I was calling them again and again, and my mother told me, instead of like focusing on problem, just see what else you can do. So I thought of using my mobile as an alternative. So today I had interview, like not interview exactly, we had discussion. I had discussion with Carissa Lintau, so for that I needed some internet, like good internet. So I couldn't record here where I am recording right now, because the internet was not working, and I had to like contact service provider. So that's why uh, when I was getting stressed, I told to mom, and she told me that, can you do anything about it? Then why are you getting worried? If you are like mad at something, nothing will be fixed, nothing will be changed. So right now focus on how you can solve the problem. And that advice was really helpful, and I focused on the solution, and finally everything went great. And that's okay. And right now, before making this video, I just spoke to my best friend and gave her today's update, and even she gave me her update, and that's all. And more about the discussion we had, I will tell tomorrow.